Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Well, it's that time of year again. It's bug season, bug splatter. We're preparing a car for protection, and this car has bug splatter that's been on there for quite some time. It's hardened and it's bonded to the paint, so we are going to review Gyeon Q2M Bug and Grime remover. Just $11.99. It does have a pH level of 9, but it is coating safe and also safe for all external hard surfaces, including plastic and black piano finish. The bug juice on here has bonded itself to the paint, and it's been out in sunlight, so it can really cause some problems. Bug splatter is acidic, and if you leave it on the surface long enough, it will etch into the paint, coatings, PPF, and trim. The bug and grime remover here is, again, safe on coatings, but it's meant to break down the bonded contaminant so you can rinse it free. If you need to, you can agitate with a soft detailing brush or your wash mitt, but this is supposed to be a step before the contact wash process. If you can, try to use the product in a cool shaded area. And that may not be an option for everyone. So it's a cool day, but it is sunny, and I'm going to use this product in direct sunlight. Apply it liberally across all affected areas. And I'm going to let it dwell as long as I can, and I'm going to keep an eye on it. When I start to see it dry up at all, I'm going to start to rinse. Having used it before, I can tell you, if the splatter is fresh, you should be able to remove a good 95-98% of it. If it's been on there for a while and it's baked on and it's starting to bond into the surface, it's just going to partially break down the splatter. You will definitely need to agitate, and even sometimes then you may not be able to get all of it off. It may need some polishing or paint correction. Taking my time, not in a rush, I grab the pressure washer nozzle and wand, and we start to rinse off. I keep the wand back far enough so we're not doing damage to the paint, but I try to get enough pressure in combination with the cleaner here and the pressure from the water, we can blow everything that's loose away from the surface. And then simply repeat the process on the mirrors, A-pillars, windshield, anywhere bug guts has accumulated. And that includes cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats. From here, I would just continue on to the wash process, but I'm going to stop and let the car dry completely and come in. And we'll take a look. There is improvement, and a lot of the bug guts has been broken down and rinsed free from the vehicle, and there's still a good 25 to 35% of the contamination still bonded to the car. So at this point, I would reapply the product, let it dwell again, and then agitate with a soft detailing brush, or even grab your microfiber wash mitt. Don't be afraid to spray it on there heavy. Get a little bit into either the wash mitt or your detailing brush as well. From here, you can even introduce a clay bar or plumber's putty and remove any bonded contaminant that's left over. And then be sure to rinse thoroughly and move on to the next step. I then bring it inside, dry the vehicle thoroughly. Before I go on to the next step, I'm going to show you exactly where we stand. A good 95% of the contamination is off. Some of it will need to be polished or clayed once again, or just to keep the channel real. I love Qyeon and enjoy their products. This here is effective, can be used properly and effectively, and is cost efficient. But to keep it real, I could use Citral 266, a little bit more expensive, but I can be a lot more efficient and quicker using that, getting it deeper clean and cutting to the chase. So this has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'm going to go ahead and give this a 6 out of 10 rating on the channel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I'll catch you in the next video.